Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about user profiles in AccuCampus. In AccuCampus, you can build user profile questionnaires which allow you to upload demographic information. User profiles can have unlimited profile keys, so any and all information can be imported. You are also able to create more than one user profile if you want to restrict profile information to specific roles or locations. To access the User Profile module, please click on Advanced Options, Settings, and User Profiles right here. In this screen, you can create a new user profile. You can edit a profile that you have made in the past, or you can delete one. Let's use this profile that I have created to show you the different fields. First, you need to type the name. We recommend that you choose a unique and specific name. Then you are going to select which role this questionnaire applies to. In this case, is meant to be used by students, so I just selected students. This check mark allows the student to view their own profile, and this check mark allows the user to edit their own profile. Depending on what you need, you select one, the other, or none. Now you have to select the roles that will have view access to the profile questionnaire. In this case, I'm giving access to administrators and staff members. Now you have to select the roles with edit access to the questionnaire. I'm allowing only the administrators, but you can select whichever roles you want. If you want, you can restrict the scope to a certain location, such as physics lab or math lab, or you can leave it open for the whole institution, right there. This section down here is the form designer. You have several field choices right here. You can add text fields, multiple choices, checkbox, and section headers, such as this. For example, this is the section header. If I click edit, you're going to be able to see that it has a unique key, a caption, and an explanation text. This explanation text is not mandatory, but it's very important for people to understand what this field is about. If you add a text field, such as this one, you're going to be able to see it's basically the same, has a unique key, which is required, a caption, which is also required, an explanation text, which is not required but important, and this option allows you to set if it's going to be a mandatory field or not. When you are designing the questionnaire right here, at any point in time, you can click preview, this button right here, and this is going to show you a preview on what the user is going to see when filling the questionnaire right here. This can help you visualize the outcome of your questionnaire. Make sure to save at the very end, and you're done. Okay, so now we can check our work by clicking General, Users, then select the user, and go to User Profile in the right. And as you can see, it is exactly the same design that we have just created, with two text boxes and multiple choice and a checkbox right there. So now the student can fill out the information, make the selections as needed, and click Save. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Goodbye.